Okay guys, as you can see, so the main reason for entering this trade was like, okay, you can clearly see that, okay, the market broke out. You can clearly see there. You can see that the market broke out there, out of this consolidating down here, as you can see. So it broke out and then it went for a retest. That is when I place a trade, that which is a sell now, as you can see, guys. So yeah, you can clearly see on the M15, we broke out and then we came for a retest and then we dropped, guys, as you can see, guys. So yeah, man. Okay, let me just go to the history of this account. We deposited 995, as you can see there. That is the deposit that we have made, as you can see. And I took some losses, guys. I took some losses and then I made another deposit, as you can see there. So now we are currently at 2k, guys. We are almost at 2k, as you can see there on the screen. But yeah, man. So let me just quickly move my stop loss to break even. My stop loss to break even. Whatever happens, then I'll be, whatever happens, if the market comes back and hit my stop loss, I won't be worried, because so no losses. Even if the market turns back, there will be no losses here, as you can see, guys. But overall, we are bearish, guys, as you can see. That is a head and shoulder pattern, as you can see, guys. This is the left shoulder head and the right shoulder, as you can see there. So we are currently, when you look at the daily time frame, we have price. There's a long way to move down, guys. There's a long way to move down, as you can see there. So yeah, man, we'll hold this trade until let me say tomorrow, or maybe not tomorrow but next week. So we are going to hold this trade until next week, as you can see there. So yeah, man, so I'm going to leave this trade running. I'm going to leave it running. So but if you have another pullback, then I'm going to enter some sales later on, but not now. So let's see what price does. Or let me say, if I want, I can just close one of the trade. Let me just close one of the trade and I'll leave the other one running. So I'll leave one running, so just to be safe, man. Because what if the market pulls back and then we lose everything? So it's better we just secure some profits and then we let the trades run, guys, as you can see there. So yeah, so for now we'll keep on holding this trade. As you can see, we are moving to the downside. If you pull back and then we'll enter some sell trades. But yeah, so far so good, guys. So far so good, so far so good. So the whole idea, the whole plan is to grow this account, guys. I just want to reach it, let me say 5k or maybe 10k, then I will make a withdrawal, guys. Then I will buy a prop firm challenge. So currently I'm planning to buy a challenge on the 5%ers. They are one of the best prop firm out there. And we also have funded next. Funded next is also good. I'm also planning to buy a challenge, and it's just to grow this account, make some withdrawals, then I will purchase some prop firm challenges, then we try to pass those challenges, so the goal for this year is just to be funded, guys, at least 500k in funding, guys. That is the goal for this year. So yeah, man. And yeah, for those that want to join our free Telegram group, you can, the link it will be in the video description, guys. The link will be in the video description. You can join for free. You don't have to pay anything to be part of this group, guys. It's where I drop all the trades, all the signals that I drop, that I take, are dropped in this group, guys. They are all dropped in this group. So yeah, man, join for free, guys. Join for free. The link will be in the video description. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.